Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Wordle. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Wordle account, you'll need to first visit the official site of Wordle. Open up a web browser to get started and into the URL box type in www.nytimes.com and press enter on your keyboard. From the official web page, click on the Games button on the top right. Once you click on the Game button, you'll be taken to this page. Scroll down and click on the Play button right under Wordle. Now, from the option, click on the Login button. Log in or create a new account in order to continue playing the game. Into the email address text box, type in your email address that is associated with your account. If you've not created an account yet, this will take you through the account creation process. Once you are done typing in your email address, you can click the Continue button. Or you can also log in using your Google account, Facebook, or Apple. On the next page, it'll ask you to type in your password. Go ahead and type it in. You can also log in without the password by clicking on this Login Without Password option, which will take you through your email verification process. Once you verify your email by checking your inbox, you'll be able to log into your account. If you want to log in with a password, type in your password and click login, and you'll be able to see that you've successfully logged into your Wordle account. That is how you can easily log into Wordle using your computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.